this broadcast from Shahjahanpur, where sanitation workers are protesting and they are alleging that they are being forced to make contributions for Ram Temple. These sanitation workers are employed with the Jalalabad Tehsil office in Shahjahanpur. Their allegation is that they were asked to make contributions for Ram Temple construction in Ayodhya and were threatened that if they fail to do so, then they will be marked absent. So they are being forced to contribute to the fund. That's their allegation. Let's go across to Amir, who's joining us with more details. We're also, Amir, playing out visuals of these sanitation workers, outsourced sanitation workers, who are alleging that they were forced to make donations for the Ram Mandir construction. And they're also saying that they were threatened that if they fail to do so, they will be marked absent.
Well, absolutely, Swati. That's definitely the case there in this particular tehsil of Shahjahanpur. These sanitation workers, numbering over 3 dozen, stopped their work and protested in the tehsil premises itself and said that they will not contribute for the Ram Temple construction in the manner that they have been asked to, because their supervisor had threatened them that if they don't contribute for Ram Temple, then they will be marked absent and therefore they will stand to lose their daily wages. This definitely is a contentious issue, although the senior officials that we spoke to denied that their supervisor had threatened them in this particular manner and said that this seems to be a political issue with some of those workers who are being led and misled, in fact, by a certain political people there, and therefore they are shunning work and also raising slogans against the management in the tehsil, and that nobody actually did. We also spoke to the supervisor, who also plainly denied that I did not threaten them to mark absent if they do not contribute for Ram Temple. And in fact, it was only voluntarily that they were asked to contribute for the temple construction. So although this is a major issue today in this particular tehsil of Shahjahanpur, no inquiry so far has been ordered whether there was actually any threatening involved. So far it seems that it only remains as an issue which will remain as a topic of discussion there in the tehsil and Shahjahanpur district.
All right, Amir, thank you very much for joining us with those details. We have some reactions lined up. Let's listen.
विपक्ष वालों की जो राम भक्ति सोई हुई थी, आजकल राम भक्ति उनकी जाग गई है। उनकी कहीं श्री कृष्ण जी की भक्ति जागती है, कहीं भगवान बुद्ध जी की भक्ति जागती है, कभी भगवान भोलेनाथ जी की भक्ति जागती है। तो वो तो अवसर के हिसाब से अपने रंग बदलने का काम किया करते हैं।
How come they are given the power to collect this thing when this is again a violation of the Supreme Court guidelines, and therefore again serious action has to be taken. They don't need, in fact, to do all these things. There are 100 people in the country who can spend 1 crore per day for that temple. So we are going to get a sufficient amount of this. It was earlier also it was collected. Where that money has gone?
और ना मेरा ना सरकार का किसी का कोई दबाव नहीं, लेकिन अगर श्री राम जन्मभूमि पर बनने वाले भव्य मंदिर के लिए आप सब अपना योगदान करना चाहते हैं तो मैं आप सबका अभिनंदन करता हूं कि
This is an issue where the Supreme Court had intervened. Let it, a trust is there. This is the work of a trust. I mean, when you say voluntarily, but there is an element of coercion in it. It doesn't remain voluntary. It becomes coercive. And the same kind of spirit I don't see when it comes to fighting unemployment. I think whatever ministry this gentleman holds, he's in direct competition with Yogi ji. Let's see how it evolves.
हमारे विभाग के अंदर जो राम भक्ति से ओतप्रोत हैं, राष्ट्र भक्ति से ओतप्रोत हैं, उनके मन में भी इच्छा थी और वो सब जानते हैं कि मैं श्री राम जन्मभूमि आंदोलन का सिपाही रहा हूँ, आंदोलन का हिस्सा रहा हूँ, तो लोगों ने कहा हम भी अपना योगदान करना चाहते हैं।
But if you insist that every employee has to necessarily contribute, whether willingly or otherwise, would be probably bordering on violating the constitutional provision.
With that, we are slipping into a short break. More news and updates lined up for you on the other side as well. Stay on with us.